DIY tombstone texture hacks. We'll be using foam insulation board, water and a hair dryer, gray acrylic paint and fine sand. Allow me to show you what each looks like. First, just paint. A bit dull for my liking. Moving on, water and heat. Make sure you have proper ventilation, or you may end up needing a tombstone of your own. Apply your paint over. Now we have a three-dimensional look. Let's try adding sand to our paint. Mix to your desired thickness. I believe more is always better. Ah yes, nice and grainy. Now my ultimate spell, combining all techniques shown thus far. It gives a natural stone and concrete look. Just paint. Water and heat. Sand and paint. Water, heat, sand and paint. Remember to always seal your creations if putting them outdoors. Like and follow, if you please, for more Halloween goodness.